Hi, so here is how you can contact Temu customer support. Okay, so first you scroll down this page. URL I will add in the description for you. So once you click on this contact us, this live support chat box will open, and also you can tap over here. Okay, this is the option called chat with Temu. Okay, so now if you simply tap, this page will open and you can continue to chat. Okay, so you simply tap over here, so you can continue to chat. So Foster joined over here. Okay, so this is the option for the live chat I'm showing. Okay, so please like this video, subscribe our channel, it will motivate us. And few more option I want to tell you. Let me minimize this. Okay, so they have their social media handles also, profile team. Okay, so now if you again visit this page, you can see we are connected. Okay, so you can see I received the reply. Okay, and I also want to give you to reach out to them via phone number. So they have a phone number as well, which is 888. Okay, then 495. Again, do not share any personal info and always check before calling. Okay, this is the number, and they have their mail ID, which is help@temu.com. Okay, so please like this video and subscribe our channel, it will motivate us. The resources link will be in the description. Wish you all the best. Take care.